before the day begins, allow yourself to simply arrive here. Still resting in your bed, held in a quiet space between sleeping and waking. This moment is sacred. Take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose, filling your lungs softly and naturally. And exhale with ease through your mouth, releasing any heaviness from yesterday. Again, inhale slowly, welcoming this new morning into your body. And exhale, letting your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your whole being relax into the support beneath you. There is nowhere you need to rush to right now. Just breathe and receive this new beginning. Now gently place one hand over your heart, feeling the quiet rhythm beating beneath your palm. This heartbeat has carried you through every moment of your life. Silently or softly in your mind affirm, I am grateful for the gift of this new day. Today marks a new beginning. Feel the truth of those words settling into your body. With your hand still resting on your heart, allow gratitude to gently expand within you. I am grateful for this life and the miracle of being alive during this time. I am grateful for my body, the sacred vessel that holds my light. Feel appreciation moving through you, not because everything is perfect, but because you are here, breathing, living. I am grateful for the air that fills my lungs. I am grateful for the blood that flows through my veins. I am grateful for the organs within my body working in perfect harmony. Take a slow breath and imagine gratitude traveling to every cell, like a soft golden light awakening your entire being. I am grateful for my mind and my ability to choose, to learn, to grow. I send gratitude to my heart for keeping me alive and blessing me with the ability to give and receive love. Rest here for a moment, feeling love circulating quietly inside you. I am grateful for my health, for that is the real wealth. Bring awareness now to the gentle wisdom within you. I am grateful for my intuition and the way it leads me. I am grateful for my spirit and my eternal soul. You are more than this body. You are a living expression of something sacred. Allow your awareness to broaden, embracing the life around you I am grateful for my family and loved ones and for their health. I am grateful for the comfort of this cozy bed that allows my body to rest and restore. I am grateful for my home and everything within it. I am grateful for the transportation that carries me where I need to go. I am grateful for the food and water that nourish my body. I am grateful for the clothing on my body and the shoes on my feet. Let gratitude become gentle, steady, natural, like a calm rhythm flowing through your entire being. I am grateful for all of the blessings present in my life, both seen and unseen. Pause here and simply feel gratitude. Now, in your own way, quietly open to spiritual support. I call in my spirit team, my guides, my angels to walk beside me as I move throughout this day. Feel a soft presence gathering around you, peaceful, protective, loving support. I am open to receiving guidance throughout my day. I am open to the signs and synchronicities that gently lead my path. Allow a sense of trust to settle into your chest. You do not walk alone. You are guided and supported in ways beyond what the eyes can perceive. Now gently turn your awareness toward the day that is beginning. A fresh canvas, untouched, full of possibilities. I welcome miracles and blessings into this new day. I am open to new opportunities appearing for me. I welcome new experiences that support my growth and joy. Imagine soft golden light surrounding your body, like a protective field of calm energy. This light moves with you into every conversation, every decision, every moment. See yourself rising from your bed, grounded, clear, peaceful, carrying gratitude with every step. Allow these words to move slowly through you. Today, I move with peace. Today, I choose presence over pressure. Today, I trust the timing of my life. Today, I give and receive love freely. Today, I notice beauty in simple moments. Today, I am guided, protected, and supported. And today, I begin again with gratitude. Take one more slow, nourishing breath in, feeling your body gently waking. And exhale with calm anticipation for the day ahead. Begin to notice the room around you, the sounds, the temperature, the quiet presence of the morning. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, softly open your eyes, carrying this peace, this gratitude, this trust with you into the rest of your day.